A great way to get offline traffic back to your website is to post tear sheets. And traditionally, you have tear sheets that would have either your website or your phone number on there. But if you place your QR code on the actual tear sheet, as well as on the ad itself, people can scan that code and be taken directly to your website from their mobile device. This is a great way to reach people that you would not be able to reach online who do have a smartphone. All you need is the tear sheet that you're looking at right here. You can create that on Microsoft Word, or you can create that on any Word document. You then need to find a QR code generator. And if you just go to Google, type in QR code generator, you'll be able to find a number of them just by doing a Google search. Once you're inside of the QR code generator, all you're going to do is to put your website URL that you want people directed to, and then they will then be taken to that website when the code is scanned. You can do a number of different things. You can have people taken to a Facebook page, YouTube video, any of these things that you want. It's a great way to get people to an offer directly from offline. And there's probably not another way to do this more efficiently than using a QR code. So if you want to expose your website to a number of people that you would not be able to get it to otherwise, you can, if you can scale the cost of getting those tear sheets put in places where people are. This can be an effective way of getting traffic to your website. With that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.